Hey guys, Austin here. This is the VeeFriends Zerocool box break, box 7 of 8. First up, we got the Stoic Slime, Motivated Monster, base, Courteous Coyote, rare, number 5 of 8. Candid Clownfish, rare, number 3 of 8. And we got the Alert Ape, very rare, number 4 of 5. Glowing Glowworm, very rare, number 1 of 5. Quick Quail Epic, 2 of 2. And we got the Bubblegum Entrepreneur Elf, 1 of 1. Very nice. The Oak Monster, base. And lastly, the Optimistic Otter, base. And here's the bird's eye view of the pulls. Thanks so much guys for watching. See you next time.